Hello, welcome to this channel. My name is Eno. Today we'll be continuing our series on virtualization, and we'll be automating the creation, the setting up of the website that we did manually in one of my previous videos. So we'll be going to our shell straight. This is my shell, and I'll be going to my working directory. Now, we will get a vagrant box. We will get a box that we use to. We'll get a box. Let's go to google.com and let's go to vagrant box and let's click this first one. I'll be using a CentOS machine, Hero Linux, CentOS 9. Okay, that's it. Let's get it and we will run this command, which we put the vagrant file in our working directory. All right, a vagrant file has been placed in our working directory. That's a vagrant file. Now we are going to open it. We are going to edit it. We are going to use it to provision our environment, and we will automate the setup of our web environment. All right, so this is the vagrant file. I will go right away to get a static IP, and I will edit the static IP. The static IP I want 56, and I will do 35, and that's okay. Let's get a 1.5 gig RAM. Now let's go and do the provisioning. Right. This is CentOS machine, so I will remove all of this. And we will provision it with everything we need to set this up for our environment. So now we are going to use, let me just say sudo yum install wget. We need wget, we need unzip, we need vim, and I need httpd, and we'll put our -y. Since we are automating it, if it asks any question in the process of automation, it's going to fail. So we need to put -y anywhere there's a possibility of asking question. All right, now first thing will be to start httpd, and let me just put sudo. Let me just put sudo, and let's do systemctl enable. We have to enable it so that it can start at boot time. Don't forget that. Then the next thing, let us create a directory. Sudo mkdir. I will use -p to ensure that it is created. In case I will just put it because of the parent directory. I'll be creating it in the temp directory, and I will call this web, and I will cd into this directory, web, just continue to put sudo to make sure that there will be no issue. cd into the web. Then we use wget. Now I want us to get now let's go to template.com to get a simple template, HTML template. Go to free HTML template. Let's just pick this one and let's scroll down to where download is. I will just do it in a way that is common to everybody. That's the download sign there. Then right click, then click inspect, then click down, go to network, then click download. Then this, you can see the .zip there. Just click it, then you get the link to download. And let's copy that and go back to your shell and do shift insert. And so that's that. This is going to download the source code or the link for this HTML free template, and we are going to unzip it. Just put unzip there, put your I just copied this last entry. That's the name that the file will be saved with. So unzip it like that. I will put -o so that it will override anything that is there. You know, if you are doing this repeatedly, you can put -o there just make sure that this will go through per time. Let me continue to use sudo, and let's continue now. Once it's unzipped, the next thing will be to copy it into our document root, which is /var/www/html. So let's use -r so that I can copy it recursively, and shift insert, remove the .zip. After it unzip, this file is going to the name of the file is going to be like this. It's going to be like this. Okay, so ***, so that everything in this file will be copied, and copy it into /var/www/html. Put it like that. And once you copy it, then the next thing will be to restart our service, HTML service, system restart, httpd. I will continue to put sudo. I'll continue to put sudo, and I will just go out of this directory. Just use yours. I want to go back into the parent directory. You can do this like this, or you can put just /temp, but I'm sure any one of it will work. So just put /tmp, and let's do some cleanup. rm, rf, then /temp/web, the file that we created. And that's just a simple cleanup. So that's that. What else do I need to do? Okay, this is good. All right, let us run our machine now. All right, now run vagrant up. Now, over here is importing the box, and is bringing up the network. This from here is setting up the key, is doing authentication, and now it has started provisioning over here. It has started provisioning, is updating the package repository index. Then it's going to download all the packages that we need. It's downloading all the packages we need. All right, now it's done. You can see it has unzipped the file. It has unzipped the file. Now it's done. Let's log in. But even if we don't log in, we can just get our, I think I used 35. I can just use vim vagrant file and get my IP address 5635. Let's go and run it. 5635.192, and it was 35, right? 35. So that's it. So that's the automation of a simple website setup. So you can just try it yourself. Check the way we did it. All these things that I put here, we have run it manually before. That was why I said whatever you can automate, make sure you can also do it manually. Manual process will really strengthen your knowledge base about all the steps that you need to take to be able to complete the process and automate it. So just familiarize yourself with the manual process, and the automation process will be very easy. So that's that for today. Is a very, very short video, but I'm sure that you have gained something if you have watched it. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.